Hey everyone, Ian from AMZ Product Launcher. Now I just wanted to show you this great product. It's in the baby niche, and it's a simple everyday product. Babies are being born every day, so a simple lightweight product. Now this product here, have a look at this. Each and every month this product's making $41,000. Incredible. So if you're looking for product ideas, we can help you find products. We can help you find the suppliers as well. So if you're looking to maybe increase your income, reduce your stress, reduce your hours, spend more time with your family, around this video is a link. Book in a time that we'd love to have a chat with you. Look forward to speaking with you soon. Bye bye for now.
Stop right there. I've got some exciting news. The biggest challenge people have when starting an online business is they don't know what to sell. They don't know what products are profitable, and they don't know what is a good niche, what is a good trend, what is something that's selling right now. Right? So that is the biggest challenge. So what I put together, guys, is a brand new exclusive training. Around this video, there's a link that gives you an idea on the biggest trends happening right now. I actually revealed 10 products that are selling like crazy right now that potentially, if you want, you could jump on. All right, so that's the biggest challenge. People don't know what products are actually profitable. Now, let me tell you what products to focus on. All right, it's very simple, very lightweight products like these. Imagine you having this particular product. It's a knife sharpener. Now, these you can buy very cheaply. You can sell at a very good profit. You can buy them for pretty much less than $1 and sell them for pretty much anything you want, right? In Australia, in New Zealand, in USA, it doesn't really matter. Here's another product. It is a universal adapter. It's something that's very lightweight. It's something simple. It's something that you could put your brand on, your name, your logo on if you want to do that. Now, Amazon is a big emerging opportunity. Amazon's in Australia. It's been in Australia now for 3.5 years. It's something that actually enables people to quit the rat race, enables people more leverage, more time with their family, to be able to sell simple products like this and be able to spend more time doing the things that they want to do. Now, like I said, guys, I put together a brand new training. Around this video, there's a link. Give that link a click. I would love to show you 10 products that are doing really well right now. But on top of that, I'm also going to go a step further. I'm going to send you training videos showing you how to find suppliers. I actually take you to places where you can find very cheap overseas suppliers, even in Australia and New Zealand, right, that can actually supply the products that you can sell on your Amazon store. All right, so it's very simple. I take you to places, I show you how to get the best price, I show you how to negotiate the best deals, and how to make sure that you're selling a quality product. Now, it doesn't matter how old you are, your age, your experience, even if you've never sold anything online before, anyone can do this. We've had students who jumped on, who've gone through our training from 19 all the way up to 80 years old. Now, I've been teaching people how to do this for well over a decade, showing people how to find their products, helping them launch it on sites like Amazon, showing them how to narrow down their niche, how to find those emerging trends. And I would love to help you. I'd love to show you on this complimentary training. Around this video, there's a link. Give that link a click. I would love to show you on this complimentary training how you can get something started in 2021 from Australia or New Zealand. All right. So have a great day. I wish you the best. See you on the training. Around this video, there's a link. Give that link a click. I will see you on that page, and I look forward to helping you in 2021 launch your online business. Bye bye for now. See you later.